Hey, what's going on everyone, TechJoff here, and today we're taking a deep dive into the latest smartwatch from Huawei, the Huawei Watch Ultimate. This is a highly anticipated device that promises to be the ultimate companion for your everyday life. So let's get started and see if it lives up to the hype. But before that, if you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tech news and reviews. Let's start with the design of the Huawei Watch Ultimate. This is a sleek, stylish, and premium device that features a circular LTPO AMOLED display measuring 1.5 inches in diameter with sapphire glass, a high refresh rate, and less power consumption. The display is sharp and bright, with vivid colors and excellent viewing angles, and supports always-on display function. The watch face is surrounded by a nanotech ceramic bezel, which gives it a premium look and feel. This Watch Ultimate is the world's first smartwatch using the zirconium-based liquid metal, which is more lightweight, durable, and corrosion-free than titanium. The straps are made from titanium and are comfortable to wear and lightweight as well, and looks like a luxury watch. The watch itself has a groundbreaking water-resistant and 100 meters diving capability, 1080m based on ISO 22810 water-resistant, and European EN 13319 for diving equipment standards. Moving on to the features, the Huawei Watch Ultimate has a lot to offer. It runs on the latest version of Huawei's operating system, Harmony OS 3.0, which is optimized for smartwatches. The watch is powered by Kirin A1 chipset, which is designed specifically for wearables and ensures a smooth performance. One of the standout features of the Huawei Watch Ultimate is its health and fitness tracking capabilities. It can track your heart rate, SpO2 measurement, steps and calories, current weather, moon phase, sleep patterns, skin temperature, ECG or electrocardiogram that you can download the report to the Huawei Health application and share to the doctors, and even your stress levels. There are also 100 plus workout modes to choose from, so you can track your exercise routines accurately. The watch also has 5 GPS built-in, which are GLONASS, Galileo, Beidou, QZSS, and GPS, which means you can track your runs and hikes without needing to bring your phone along. In terms of connectivity, the Huawei Watch Ultimate supports Bluetooth 5.2. This means you can connect it to your phone or other devices easily, but unfortunately there is no NFC payment on it. The watch also has a built-in speaker and microphone for answering calls or playing music. And at the left side of the watch, there's a 16 layers of filters for water protection to support 100-meter water resistance. There is also a new assistant button at the left side. Once you press it, it will activate the dark mode. It will give you some storm warning. You can mark your location, used for route back navigation. One of the most important aspects of a smartwatch is its battery life, and Huawei Watch Ultimate does not disappoint in this regard. Huawei claims that it can last up to 14 days on a single charge with typical use. Not only that, it supports a wireless fast charging that can fully charge the watch in 60 minutes, and 10 minutes of charge it can have 25% of battery juice. I use this watch more than a week now with typical usage and still has 26% of battery juice, which is impressive considering the number of features it offers. Now let's talk about the software of the Huawei Watch Ultimate. As mentioned earlier, it runs on Harmony OS 3.0, which is Huawei's own operating system for wearables. The interface is intuitive and easy to navigate, with customizable watch faces and app shortcuts. The watch also supports third-party apps, which means you can download and install applications from Huawei App Gallery. In terms of performance, the Huawei Watch Ultimate is excellent. with the latest Harmony OS 3.0 versions, ensures smooth and snappy performance, with no lag or stuttering. Apps load quickly and navigation is seamless. I also did not experience any connectivity issues during my 1 week of usage. So, is the Huawei Watch Ultimate worth buying? Absolutely yes. This is a fantastic smartwatch that offers a lot of features for its price point. The design is sleek and stylish, and premium. The features are robust and comprehensive, and the battery life is impressive. If you're in the market for a smartwatch, the Huawei Watch Ultimate is definitely worth considering. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, and if you liked the video, consider subscribing to help this channel grow. Thanks for watching. Peace out.